Hi everyone, today I have decided to spend a couple of hours doing some meal prepping. This really saves me time in the week when I'm making my salads and my other meals, so I just thought I'd take you along with me. So I got up early this morning and I put the chicken in, and then I thought, well, I'm going to take you with me. So I'm doing roast chicken, sweet corn, whole wheat pasta, roasted vegetables, some eggs, and I just thought and sweet potatoes. So I just thought, well, I'll show you what I'm doing, and actually then at the end I think I'll show you over the next couple of days, like the meals that I make with the food that I've prepared today. So that's what I thought I'd do. I'll take you along with me and show you, and hopefully inspire you maybe to have a go at meal prepping, and perhaps let me know if there are things that you do that I could perhaps take on board when I'm prepping for the week. So if you're not a subscriber, then please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. I have such lovely subscribers. So I will now get on with the meal prepping. First, I'm just preparing the chicken. I've put it into my roasting tray with some foil and baking paper, and I'm covering it with foil to go into the oven. Then I'm peeling some sweet potatoes, ready to chop up and make into some sweet potato toasts. So I just like to cut it into quite thin slices, and then I like to lay them out onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. I spray them with the Frylight cooking spray, and I sprinkle on some salt and pepper. Then I put them in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I turn them over and give them another 15 minutes. Now I'm just chopping up some courgettes to go into a big roasting tin for the roasted vegetables. I'm also doing roasted peppers, some green and red peppers, and then I am adding some halved chestnut mushrooms. I'm sprinkling with olive oil, salt and pepper. I'm just giving it a good stir, and that will go into the oven for about 40 minutes. In the meantime, I've taken out the sweet potatoes. I'm just turning them over, and then I'll give them about another 10 to 15 minutes in the oven, and they do crisp up a little bit. So I've got my chicken, roasted vegetables and my sweet potatoes in the oven at the moment, and I'm just putting on my whole wheat pasta, some eggs and some sweet corn on the hob. Everything is boiling away. I've taken my chicken out and my sweet potatoes. I'm just giving my roasted vegetables a stir, and I'm going to put them back in the oven for a bit longer. They'd only had about 20 minutes at that point. So this is everything that I have prepared today, and here are some of the meals that I have made with my meal prepping. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!